Nowadays, Internet plays a very important role in our life. More and more people are looking for specific products and services using search engines every day. Take advantage of this. You want to improve efficiently of your site, blog or social network page? All you need is SEO. In order to successfully develop your business in modern internet-driven world, you have to be at the top of the browser list. Our team of professional SEO specialists will do it for you. We provide a full range of modern internet marketing of services, lead generation, a marketing tactic of finding customers with specific contact information. Content. You will receive high-quality text from our copywriters and editors. The use of search engine marketing implies that text content must meet certain requirements of search engines to be informative and friendly to users. Analytics. On the basis of trends in visitors' behavior, we analyze the development of site functionality, UI and UX, design and usability. An impressive and functional website design ensures 70% process of success, regardless of what devices your customers use. With our help, you will expand the target audience. The rating and proceeds of your site will grow rapidly. You will save your time and receive professional support, stable results, and comprehensive promotion of your business. We're the company that provides a full package of internet marketing services. We have earned an impeccable reputation and numerous awards during our activity. Do you want to work with professionals? Please contact us in any convenient way. Make your site work.
SMM services are what every brand needs, regardless of its age, scale, and focus. Declare yourself, create the right image, and increase sales. It's all possible due to competent work in social networks. SMM promotion includes strategy development, creation of unique design, and implementation of community management. Why should you contact us? Our services, SMM promotion and training, engaging real and interested subscribers, increased conversions, reporting on the work done every 2 weeks per month. The first results are visible after a month of work. Looking for a serious business audience, or are students your potential customers? It is necessary to speak the same language in comfortable conditions with any client. Since each of us has an account in social networks, the task entrusted to the SMM agency is to reach out to everyone at the right time and with the correct message. And of course, in the right place. That's what social media marketing means. We were advancing and continue to work in the following networks: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We offer such SMM services: developing of a content strategy with examples, creating unique brand design, targeted advertising, familiarization, adjustment, and implementation, searching and cooperating with influential communities and opinion leaders, developing and implementing of community mechanics, actions, contests, flash mobs, etc. We have experience of work in the following topics: beauty and health industry, sports subjects, food and drinks, SMM advertising, furtherance of institutions, SMM advancement of thematic events, personal promotion in social networks, etc. Further monetization of the project and regular income. Get a free consultation with our manager right now.